Hi guys, how you doing? So today, this is day 4, 3 or 4, I think so, of Vlogmas. So I hope, fingers crossed, I hope I'll reach day 25. I really don't have much to film today, but I have a few errands to run, and my mouth is so dry. So I'm going to do a certain application that I have been sent to by a friend on WhatsApp. So I want to apply for that job. Here are my tools of trade. After that, I'll go to the shop and see how business is going. If you don't know what I sell, that means you haven't watched all of my videos. I open bills. One of these days I'll show you how I do it, but for now I'm going to do a few errands before I go to the shop. And it's a good day. It's not sunny. It's not going to rain very soon, but it will in the evening, I think so. And my hair, yeah, that's what we're working with today. I didn't do much, actually. You can see, but my face is still glowing. Not much effort has been put to it of late. So come with me as I'm going to the cyber actually to do the application. I have a laptop, but I don't want to do much in the house because baby disturbs and all that. So yeah, see you. So that's the guy thought I was going. Just told him I'm not. So off he goes. Our mode of transportation in this area is mostly motorbikes. We also have tuk-tuks. So how beautiful is that? That is our mini forest. And another mini forest on the other side. This one is on this side and this one is on the other side. Walking here at night is so scary. You have to run, as fast as you can. Yeah. So that is it. Hey, so I came back home, I finished my errands and found some time to work out. There is this workout by Grow with Jo. I think her channel name is Grow with Jo here on YouTube. I found her channel and she does workouts without any equipment, and that's what I'm here for because I have no time to go to the gym. Really, not no time, but no psych for any gym time. So I do workouts at home, any workout that I can do without any equipment, that is a go for me. So I found out a channel and I'm going to try a few of her workouts, and this is a workout I had recorded a day before, but I also did this today after my errand, so I thought I should just throw it in here so that you can see the workouts that I do and how it's going. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and also like the video. Bye. Thanks for watching.